Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it. You can use the for-in loop to loop over plain objects. And in this case, I have a sample object here called lunch that has some details about my lunch order, sandwich, snack, drink, and so on. In a for-in loop, the first part, the key, is a variable that gets assigned to the object key on each loop. The second part, in this example, lunch, is the object to loop over. In a for-in loop, you define a variable to represent the key, and it could be anything. So I call it key here just because I think it's convenient, but you could call it anything you want. You could call it item or something else, whatever works for your code. Inside the block, the stuff between the curly brackets, you can use the key to get the property value of the object, or the key value. And you can use bracket notation on your object. So in this case, lunch square brackets key, to get the value of the specific item at that key in your object. And here I'm going to log the key and then the item that goes with it. And if I jump over to the browser, you can see that I've got sandwich, ham, snack is chips, drink is soda, dessert is cookie, guests is 3, and alcohol is false. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.